We all, by default as a human species, are bisexual in nature. We have that element in us.
Okay.
By default.
Yeah.
Okay. However, एक कंडीशनिंग हमको बोलती है कि रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए एक मेल और फीमेल का होना जरूरी है, right? But because of certain imbalances or certain trauma or just certain preferences, we go into a polarity state of extreme being a lesbian or a gay. And I think that's a personal choice. Again, I'm repeating, मेरे लिए वो ज़रूरी नहीं है, मेरे लिए वो ज़रूरी है that are they feeling empowered in whom they are they feeling whole and complete? क्या उनको खुद से प्यार है और अंदर से वो गिल्ट नहीं है, शेम नहीं है, right? Because I'll tell you what, there are many cases that I take up. जब तक वो आते हैं थेरेपी के लिए, right, and they want to reprogram themselves, ना, they are so caught up in that hardwired memory of being a gay that they don't want to make another choice. It's a very good comfort zone for them.
But there are many people whom I know and their families are not supportive enough because they are gays or lesbians, and just because their families are not supportive, they are in this depression or anxiety. They are facing so many types of other mental illness. So would you want to give message to their families?
Of course, yes. I mean, how can you not love your child or this person just because they have a preference? I mean, if you actually look at it, that means सब कुछ बहुत conditional है ना, कि अगर वो they match up to the parameters of society, और अब society change हो रही है, the modern new generation is changing this whole thing. So I really feel judging someone based on their preference is really unkind and uncompassionate, and I really want to let every family know that if you find your child, and you know what, I'll tell you something, parents को ना बचपन से ही पता चल जाता है और वो हाइड करते हैं, खुद को ही झूठ बोलते हैं. So it is for the mother and the father to recognize this in the child and embrace the child and give the child the wings to fly. In fact, they are the most creative people and even they have a right to live this life, right? इंडियन सोसाइटी में तो जबरदस्ती शादियां भी कर देते हैं and then वाइफ की जिंदगी या हस्बैंड की जिंदगी बर्बाद है after that. Why even do that?
Right. आपके पास कोई ऐसे क्लाइंट्स आए हैं जो आपको इंस्पिरेशन दें, आपको इंस्पायर करा हो उन्होंने?
Absolutely. I think हर एक इंसान मुझे बहुत इंस्पायर इसलिए करता है because I look at every human being as a gift of God, as a piece of God, and कुछ ना कुछ तो strengths होते हैं. Like for example, इंस्पिरेशन या गिफ्ट दोनों में से एक चीज तो मिलती है. I feel, everybody who touches you on this path, in this journey called life, has something to even teach you. They say, the guru and the shishya are collaborating and coexisting in a common space. A true guru is someone who can also learn from their own clients or their own students. So I pick up a lot from my students.
कोई ऐसी स्टोरी है जो आप शेयर कर सकते हो कि दिस एक्ट ऑफ दिस पर्सन हैज रियली इंस्पायर्ड मी, अब मैं भी ऐसा अपने ज़िंदगी में करना चाहूँगी, कुछ भी ऐसा छोटा सा?
My list is so long that I say randomly आप अगर पूछोगे तो yeah, I mean there was this time when I had this one client and her trauma that she was carrying was very, very unreal, and I don't want to share the story. And the moment I invited her to forgive, all that happened in the past, and she was so inviting and so willing and so flexible because of her commitment to her own growth, that really inspired me to realize that यार forgiveness एक second में भी हो सकती है, हमको time नहीं लगाना पड़ता जिग करने के लिए कि यार forgiveness हम देखेंगे, सोचेंगे. So she was so willing, and उसकी स्टोरी बहुत ही अनरियल थी.
थोड़ा सा बता.
No, you know what? For me, it's.
We won't take names.
No, but it's really, really personal, and I think I will skip that.
Okay.
But yeah, forgiveness is something that I've learned. I've learned to let go. Number one. Another thing what I've learned is, learn a lot of kindness. if you saw me 20 years back, I was a very kadak coach. Kadak means, because you know, sometimes what happens when you're in this journey and you want to transform people, then you don't want to settle for mediocrity. So then maybe I would even go to the point of, telling them little aggressively कि change हो जाओ, अपने घर में जाके प्यार दो सबको, right? So, but over time I've learned a lot of kindness and compassion by seeing a lot of kind, compassionate people in my world. I feel we are all a gift to each other, and we're all here to teach and learn.